In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gold luxury Shopify website. We'll build a high-end storefront from the ground up, focusing on a refined black, white, and gold aesthetic that feels premium and polished. Start by creating your Shopify store. Sign up on Shopify, choose a store name that reflects your brand, and enter your business details. This sets the foundation for everything that follows, so use accurate information you'll keep long term. Once inside the Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Themes. Choose a clean, elegant theme with large imagery and minimal design. Preview a few options on desktop and mobile to see how your visuals breathe. Luxury thrives on white space and simplicity. Now customize your brand design. Stick to a black, white, and gold palette, reserving gold for accents like buttons or headings so it feels intentional, not overwhelming. Pair elegant serif fonts for headings with a clean sans serif body font for readability. Add high-quality lifestyle banners that showcase your products in natural light, and keep layouts minimal so the products remain the hero. Create your essential pages: home, shop, about us, contact, FAQ, shipping and returns, and privacy policy. Use concise, reassuring copy. On About Us, emphasize your brand story and values. In shipping and returns, be clear and fair. Clarity builds trust. Add your products by going to Products and selecting Add Product. Upload professional, consistent images with clean backgrounds. Write detailed descriptions that highlight materials, craftsmanship, and real benefits. Set pricing, variants like sizes or finishes, and inventory so your storefront stays accurate. Organize products into curated collections such as new arrivals, bestsellers, necklaces, bracelets, rings, and limited edition. Collections help customers browse intentionally and support your homepage merchandising. Set up payments under Settings, then Payments. Enable Shopify payments and PayPal so customers can check out quickly with trusted options. Configure shipping and settings, then shipping and delivery. Add your shipping zones and rates, and consider simple, transparent pricing or a free shipping threshold that fits your margins. Connect a custom domain in settings, then domains. Purchase or connect your branded domain for a professional, memorable URL. Ensure SSL is active for secure browsing. Install essential apps thoughtfully. Add a reviews app like Judge.me, an email marketing tool such as Klaviyo, and an upseller bundle app to increase average order value. Keep your app stack lean for speed. Optimize for SEO with keywords like luxury jewelry, gold accessories, and premium fashion pieces. Add concise meta titles, compelling meta descriptions, and descriptive image alt text for every product and banner. Finally, test and launch. Place a test order, check the mobile experience, and confirm payments, shipping, and taxes behave as expected. When everything looks perfect, remove password protection and go live. Your luxury Shopify website is now ready to showcase premium products with a high-end professional appearance. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.